Hey guys, it's Rob Harrell with MarineMax in Charleston. Today we're looking at a 2026 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport in Glacier Green with a stainless steel rub rail insert. This trailer does have a spare tire on it. Phenomenal boat, can pull it with about anything. Great for super skinny waterways, family fun, teaching kids. You have an exposed fuel tank. This boat does have the upgraded seats in it, the plush backs, very comfortable. You also have a locking glove box. Good size anchor locker. And we do have the removable cooler seat as well. And on the back of the boat, you do have two swim platforms with a little faux teak and a swim ladder. If you would like to see this boat, you can reach us at MarineMax.com Charleston. You can reach us at 843-747-1889. Come down here and check it out. Let's get on the water.